If you've lost your sending privileges on Snapchat, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you understand the process clearly. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Check for restrictions. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding restrictions on your account that may explain why you lost sending privileges. Step 3. Review community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Snapchat's community guidelines and terms of service. Ensure that you have not violated any rules that could have led to the restriction. Step 4. Appeal the decision. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, wait for Snapchat to review your case. This process may take some time, so be patient. Check your email or app notifications for updates regarding your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Snapchat. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.